Switching to Metro by T-Mobile and keeping your number is straightforward. First, ensure your number is active with your current provider. Obtain your account number and PIN. Metro supports most unlocked GSM devices. Check compatibility on their website or app. Order a SIM kit or use eSIM via Metro's website or app. During the order process, submit your number port request. This typically takes 1 to 2 days, but can often be instant. Once the port is complete, you'll receive a notification to activate your Metro service. The porting process is free, but be mindful of any potential early termination fees from your previous provider. Once your number is ported, activate your Metro service. Insert the SIM card into your device or follow the eSIM activation prompts in the Metro app. If using a physical SIM, power on your phone and follow the on-screen instructions or call 1-888-863-8768. The Metro app simplifies the activation process, allowing you to manage your plan and data add-ons. If you encounter any issues, Metro's customer support is available via chat, with response times averaging around 2 hours. Metro plans start at $15 a month, with taxes and fees included.